In general, when students are being evaluated through the special education process, multiple measures are used to get a picture of their learning profile. Even Mel Levine uses tests to assess where students are having difficulty. The focus of this mini lecture is to understand how to read test scores for individually administered, nationally normed tests commonly used for identifying specific learning disabilities in basic skill areas like math, reading, or written expression. These scores are also used for intelligence testing. You've seen some aspects of intelligence testing in a video this week. There are also common tools used to assess achievement in the areas of reading, writing, and math. These are appropriate for children starting at age 5. There are also appropriate assessments and screenings used to evaluate young children, but they are generally based on development rather than academic skill, for obvious reasons. Behavior rating scales are another set of tools used to assess the severity of various behaviors among students of all ages. These tests and rating scales are generally scored using the idea of a bell curve. Scores between 85 and 115 are considered in the average range. If a student achieves an IQ score of 105, then you would expect similar scores on an achievement measure in reading, writing, and math. If a student has an IQ of 105 and they have a reading comprehension score of 83, this would demonstrate a discrepancy, which many school districts use to identify students with learning disabilities. A discrepancy is usually considered significant if the discrepancy is 18 to 22 points, depending on the test. Not all disabilities require a discrepancy, but most refer to the bell curve model in their scoring method. So it's important to understand that standard scores have a mean of 100, and anything one standard deviation above and below, 15 points in either direction, is considered average. Please post any questions that you have about this mini lecture in the appropriate forum located on our Moodle site.